Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I have happy mail. Would you believe? Quite unexpected happy mail. One of them is I've got my knitting magazine to share, and I think this is a book that I've been waiting to arrive. And then I've got this parcel from the US. So let's get into it, shall we guys? Let's get into it, see what we've got today. So first thing, I've been after this book. I've got the first book, so I wanted the second in this series, and let's see if I can get it out. Sorry guys. It's all nicely packed. I bought it from Botanical Yarns. I'll put the link below. And can you guess what it is, guys? Can you guess? Yay! It's my 52 weeks of socks. Isn't that awesome? And my friend Nancy from Knit Sip Happy has got a pair of socks published in here. Let me see if I can find her. 240. So I'm so excited. I was so excited when Nancy shared that her socks were in here. And there we are, guys. There are Nancy's socks. So I'll put the link to Nancy's channel below. Please check her out. She's a Canadian. She's lovely. And yeah, so I'm going to have fun reading that today. And I got a nice upcoming events of what's happening in yeah, so there's the Wonder Wool in the 22nd, 23rd in Wales. Then there's Botanical Yarn has got an open studio in 29th. I'll be on holiday then. Then 7th and 8th of May in Buxton, I'll be on holiday. 19th and 20th, oh, Montreal. As much as I'd love to go to Canada for that, no. And then she's Sophie's in Seattle as well. And then, oh, 26th of August, Sophie's got an open studio again. And then in November, I might be able to make that one, the Yorkshire Yarn Fest in York. So that's fabulous. So yeah, so I've got the card. So that is the first bit of happy mail. The second, well, it's not, well, it is happy mail for me because it's my knitting magazine. You know, I love my knitting magazine. This was a subscription for Christmas from my lovely Rick. That's rubbish. And it is The Knitter. And that's quite nice, isn't it? So it has lots of wonderful information. Short rows shaping. I have lots of oh, look at that, it's just one of the patterns. Lots of lovely patterns in. Oh, look at that shawl. I wonder if there's one here that's a picture. Oh, there we go, the hibiscus. And let's see, what else is there? What else is there? Is there any other? Oh, the front cover. Oh, this was on the front cover. This is the Leiden haul. So that's quite nice. So yeah, guys, so I've got something to enjoy reading today. I'm looking forward to that. Oh, that's nice. Odette. Very 50s style. And a male sweater, a sweater for a male as well. So yeah, guys. Oh, not got any short sleeved summer tops, which is what I'm after at the moment. So yeah, so I'll enjoy reading that. Now this last happy mail I want to share with you is from Cynthia, and it's something that I totally did not expect, which makes it all the more fun. So thank you so much, Cynthia. So let's get in the package. Look at the package, isn't that lovely? So I need to be careful because I don't want to show you my address, and I don't want to show you Cynthia's either. These are left-handed scissors, guys, and I still can't use them properly. It's in a nice organza bag, and I've got a card, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not going to say anything because I want to be doubly sure, but I think I know who this is. Yes, it's Cynthia from Joy. Cynthia, who's Joyful Creations. Congratulations and thank you for your support to the Joy team. The yarn and accessories are from a Crochet Society box. Enjoy. I have some yarn because I bought 2 of these boxes and I plan to make the scarf with mine. Oh, and look at the beautiful card. God bless you. Hugs and joy. Be joyful. And that's Cynthia's Joyful Creations, guys. Isn't that just wonderful? Thank you so much, Joy, for thinking of me. And a nice blue organza bag. So let's see what we've got, shall we? We've got, ooh, nice. Nebula DK. This will make a nice hat, actually. It's 5% mohair, 15% wool, 80% acrylic, made in Turkey. The colour is Orion, and it is a DK, 100 grams, 550 metres, which is about 565, 70 yards. And it's made in Turkey. Very nice, very nice. That will make a lovely, I'll get a couple of winter hats out of that. Then, oh my gosh, this is fabulous. And this is Nebula DK as well. And the colour is Karina. And this has got 5% mohair, 15% wool, 5% metallic polyester, 75% acrylic. And that is really nice. Isn't that lovely, guys? And then I've got a little sewing kit, which is always handy. I like this, will go on holiday with me when I go away. I'm going away, as you all know. I've talked about it that many times. But yeah, I'm going to take that on holiday. That'll go in my suitcase. And then let's see what else I've got. And what I've decided to do, I've decided that all my bougie yarn I'm going to protect in these mesh bags or organza bags, so that will be used to store some of my yarn in. So what else have I got? I've got a book. I would say that's a bookmark, I think. Oh look, I've got a stitch marker, the planet. And I've got stitch journal. Let's see, what's this? Live, dream, believe, create, repeat. Oh, nice little notebook, guys. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then we've got, oh, this is the scarf to make using the yarn. And a nice little book. Yay, that's lovely. That is lovely, isn't it? Very nice. Thank you so very much, Cynthia. That was absolutely a wonderful, wonderful surprise. Totally didn't expect it. And you made me day. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's going to go in my suitcase for my holidays. You can never ever go away without a little sewing kit, because my sewing kits had it, so that's great. And oh, and I got a hook as well. What size is this? This is a 3mm hook, guys. Isn't that nice? 3mm hook. Lovely, 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 lovely. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much, Cynthia, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this little Happy Mail podcast. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.